the land of glory, with a long-lasting civilization, the deep civilization, more than 7,000 years civilization. And after we accepted Islam as the religion, it was much more promoted, a very rich culture, a very rich literature. You know, we have Persian literature with the famous poets, famous writings, and a very rich literature, and very warm people. There are very glorious monuments in Iran that many visitors, many tourists are focusing on those sites, and yearly we have many visitors from around the world, especially from India also. Iran film is famous around the world, and we have won many prizes from famous festivals, and also Iranian film is very renowned among Indian, and Indian loves Iranian film. We take part many festivals in India yearly, around 7. Let's say last year we had 7 with the collaboration of Indian Association. We had 7 Iranian film festival or screening Iranian films in some international famous Indian film festivals like Goa and Guwahati. And also in small scales, we have screening Iranian film in different associations. The last one was in Reza Rampur Library. You know, it's a very big library in India. We had mainly screened Iranian film. And I could say that we would like to strengthen our activities in film, mainly in film sector. Cinema and cinematography is a big industry, and as a governmental body, we are non-profit making sector. So we manage how to coordinate between Indian Association and Iranian Association. Nowadays, they are looking for making new works, for example, new long film features. Some association would like to make films with Indian artists or with Indian Association. And also student exchange program, or screening film, or having mutual, let's say, events like film festivals. Indian film festivals in Iran and Iranian film festival in India, or mutual film festival with the collaboration of 2 associations from Iran and India. Yeah, and right today I am here to talk about this sort of collaboration with the Marwah Studio as our association. The propagation against Iran and what's going on in Iran is in a large scale from media side. I am here that with the collaboration of Indian Association to provide assistance. Let's say to provide assistance that Indian Association, like your association, to have collaboration with Iran Association to make mutual relationship. First of all, let's say to revive those events that we had in the 4 years back, for showing the realities of Iranian, what's going on in Iran, and to have better sense of reality and the facts in Iran. The best media for showing this, for expressing this sense, is having film with and basically with Indian Association. Your association is a very renowned association, and I think it could be a good start. Of course, we had some mutual works with Indian filmmakers, and nowadays one of them is being screened in India from Majid Majidi, and also we had Salam Mumbai. This look to the human being. What I want to mention that it should be freely made, without any propagation against a country. And through the film, we should know what's going on in other societies to help them, to help them. And in the film, we should show the problems of the society and also the solution for that problem. I'm so glad to be here. That you are involved in different fields of filmmaking and cinematography. I'd like to have much more relation with this institute and to establish more works and jobs